Hello everyone. Today we will make scale and protector at home. For this we need a cardboard or hard cover of a notebook. We need a transparent sheet, two circular plates of different sizes, ruler or scale, pair of scissors, two sketch pens of different colors, and two permanent markers of different colors. Let's start. Place the bigger plate on the cardboard and draw a circle. Cut the circle with the pair of scissors. After cutting, we get this circular shape. Now, fold the circle and make two equal parts of it. Press it gently. Now make one more fold and press again. Now open it. We get four equal parts on the circle. Now draw lines on the crease we have made. Draw straight lines. After drawing line, we get this. We can see the center of the protector and baseline moving to the right side and in left direction baseline. Now mark 0 at the starting of semicircle and 180° at the other end of semicircle. Now put the smaller circular plate and draw a semicircle inside the bigger semicircle. Now mark 0 at one end of the semicircle and 180 at the other end of semicircle. Now we will mark on both the semicircles. If the baseline is in left direction, we will use the inner semicircle to measure the angle. The baseline is in right direction, we will use the outer semicircle to measure the angle. Now put 90° at the top of the blue semicircle and at the top of the pink semicircle. Now fold the circle into semicircle, then again its quarter part, and then again one more fold to 1/8 part. Press them gently. Open all the folds. We get 8 equal parts. And we also get 2 crease between 0 to 90. After putting proper marking, we get these two scales on our protractor. One inner scale from 0 to 180 right to left and one outer scale from 0 to 180 left to right. If the line is moving to right hand direction, we count 0 to 180 right to left, and if the line is moving to left hand direction, we count 0 to 180 from left to right. Using these transparent sheets, drawing circles and marking on them, we get this type of protractor. See the center of the protractor, the baseline moving to the right direction and the baseline moving to the left hand direction, and two scales for measuring angles. In the same way, we can make a ruler by cutting a stripe from a transparent sheet. We mark on it. I have marked from 0 to 15 centimeters. Between each centimeter, there are 10 equal parts. Each part is equal to 1 millimeter. It means 10 millimeters make 1 centimeters. This is a model of the scale, not the scale which we have in our geometry box. Now we have made a protractor using cardboard, using transparent sheet, and a scale using transparent sheet. So that's all we have made it today. You also give it a try and enjoy. Thank you for watching and subscribing my channel. Let's learn.